So Paul doesn't say be transformed simply by knowing or memorizing scriptures. Are those bad? No, that's good. But he didn't say that's how it's going to happen. He said we have to be transformed by the renewing of our mind. How many of you know people who know the Bible but don't seem like there's any transformation? And sometimes if we look in the mirror, that's us. So, but a key distinction here, memorizing scripture is good, but renewing the mind is deeper. They are not the same thing. So let's talk a little bit about what renewing means. In Romans 12:2, renewing means a renovation, not a tune-up. It's not a behavior modification. It's not external compliance, but it's an internal reformation. So what's working on the inside will eventually work on the outside, but we start on the inside first. So the biblical idea of renewal carries a sense of something being made new again, not just repaired really, but restored, reworked from the inside. So transformation doesn't start with behaving differently, it starts with thinking differently. The Word teaches us who we are, how we should think, how we should treat others, but a casual approach will never bring transformation. It's going to take more than the casual approach. Seems like that most of us, maybe some of you had a different education, but most of us from the time we were young went to schools that taught us how to listen, but not always how to think, examine, test, and stay with truth long enough for that truth to work in us and on us. I don't know about you, sometimes that upsets me a little bit about how the system worked. They're just teaching us how to listen, and that listening isn't enough, is it? So, my message title is called The Transformation Gap. And it is the difference between what you want and are believing for based on the Word, but then what is actually happening in your life. So